Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing some luxury sale shopping tips for you, and I also have a haul integrated into this shopping guide. One of my recent videos I shared what I got for Christmas, and included within that kind of a Christmas haul was sale stuff. And some of you were surprised that some of your favorite luxury designers do go on sale, and that includes YSL, Chanel, and Dior. Now, in my LV employee related videos, I've always mentioned that LV never goes on sale. So if you're looking for LV at a discounted rate, I recommend any of my favorite resellers. Those include Rebag, Fashionphile. I talk about those in my vintage bags haul video, and I listed my favorite resellers there. So if you're interested in LV at a discount, I recommend checking those out. But there are never any LV sales. There are, however, sales for Chanel and Dior and YSL and many other designers that you may not know go on sale. They're not readily available to the public. They're not on their websites. You know, a lot of times you really have to find them in person at a department store or within the boutique. So in this video, I will break down all the places where you can find those. The first tip I have for you is to follow me on Instagram. It's @aheatedmess. Whenever I find a great deal or a great sale, I will post to my Instagram stories, and I'm a lot more active on there because sale merchandise is first come, first serve. It really is whatever is left from that season. And because the sizes are very limited, especially for shoes, you really have to act fast. And so whenever I see a really great deal, I will post in my Instagram stories. My second tip is to go ahead and sign up for the email list for a lot of, especially department stores, like Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus, Saks, any of these retailers. Go ahead and sign up for their email list because they'll let you know when their stuff starts to go on sale. Now, except for Chanel Beauty, they don't sell their merchandise online. You know, you can't buy a Chanel bag and Chanel shoes and Chanel fashion jewelry online. You really have to go into the boutique. But what I found interesting was this past Christmas season, Chanel.com, they sent an email as soon as their sale was open to the public. The bags are never on sale, but definitely there are Chanel shoes, there's Chanel textiles, scarves, you know, twillies, and a lot of the fashion jewelry is also on sale. In my recent Christmas haul, I showed two pairs of shoes that I got from the Neiman Marcus website online. And it was these two Valentino rock stud heels that were on sale. So about 40% off the metallic ones. And then these beehive nude rock studs, so about 25% off. You have to be flexible with your shoe sizes, and I typically wear anywhere from a 5.5 to a 6.5. These are actually a size 7, like a European 37, and so they're a little bit long, but you know, because they have an ankle strap, I was a little more accommodating with taking a larger size. But that's definitely a way where you can get designer shoes on sale by being a little more flexible with sizing. I find that it's easier to size up because if they do run a little bigger, you can put, you know, foot pads around the front, around the instep to make it fit a little better. You can, you know, add holes. This one you really can't add holes because it has that rock stud. So this way you can be a little more flexible with sizing. So these two I got from Neiman Marcus on the website. I do, however, have a few sales associates that I text or email pretty regularly. Some of them are also on Instagram. So whenever it's sale season, I literally will just text them and ask, hey, you know, what's on sale? What's on sale at your store? And they'll just send me pictures. Besides these Valentinos that I got from the Neiman Marcus website, there were some Dior items that I got on sale. I got a Dior Mitza on sale, and I got a pair of Dior sunglasses on sale. And that was because one of my Dior sales associates is on Instagram. So I just texted her and asked, you know, what was on sale at her boutique, and she went ahead and sent me pictures, and I just picked out what I wanted. I did this all from the comfort of my home without having to step foot in that Christmas mall traffic. One of my other sales associates at Saks, her name is Brianna, she's amazing. She sent me pictures of the designer shoes that went on sale at Saks. And so I picked up a pair of these super cute Dior flats. I've always wanted this pair of the J'adore ballet flats, but these were so cute. I've never even seen this style in the Dior boutique, and that's because Saks and the Dior standalone boutiques, you know, they all carry different items, so you might not see it even on the Dior website. But they have this in store. This is at Saks, and you guys won't even believe the price, okay? This, I think, was, of all the items in my shoe haul right now, this was the best deal. These Dior ballet flats retail for $7.90. And these were on sale at Saks, brand new, for $316. So that is 60% off. So I got these Dior ballet flats, brand new, for 60% off. This was the best deal so far of all my shoes that I got, 60% off. And this was at Saks at the boutique. You don't have to deal with resellers. There are resellers that sell shoes, and that's up to you if you want to buy it. Some people will draw the line at bags for reseller. I also got these Fendi sandals from Saks, and these I haven't worn these yet. These are actually a little too big on me. These are a size 7. But again, because it has an ankle strap, I'm okay with it being maybe a little longer than usual and maybe a little wider than normal at the top, because I can just kind of buckle myself in here. But these I got brand new, also from Saks on sale. These were originally $9.50 and I got it for $3.80. Now the best deal on shoes I got from Saks were these Chanel boots. I have worn these several times and I posted pictures on my Instagram, and you guys were asking me, where I got it. These are super cute. These are pretty heavy Chanel boots with the chains all around the bottom. They have that kind of signature ribbon cap toe and the little tiny Chanel CC logo. It's a patent leather. These are kind of like Chanel Ugg boots. These I got from Saks brand new for 40% off. These retail for $1,500 and I got it for $900. And I love these. These are just like the most bougie snow boots I own. But yeah, they're just super comfortable. I find that I'm really, I'm working from home now, so I'm not wearing high heels. I'm just wearing flats where I go. So yeah, Chanel boots, 40% off from $1,500. I got for $900 from Saks. Now my last tip for saving money on luxury items is calling the stores directly and asking if they have anything on sale. Now you can call the standalone boutiques, and you can also call the outlets. Some of you may not know this, but there are luxury outlets that are out there. One of my favorites is Woodbury Common Premium Outlets in New York, and that actually was my very first video that I ever uploaded to YouTube. And I am still in touch with my sales associates at the Dior outlet in New York, and I got a pair of sneakers. I got these Dior sneakers for half off from the Dior outlet. These are the Dior sock sneakers. They retail for $8.50, and I got them for 50% off at $4.25. Brand new from the Dior outlet. The only thing is I did have to pay shipping for it, but I still love shopping from the outlets. Even if you don't live near the outlet, a lot of the stores will ship to you. So just call and find out. I recommend calling early in the morning before they're really busy with customers. Don't call on the weekends, don't call on Friday. Just become close to one of the sales associates, and a lot of times they'll either have like an iCloud shared album. Some sales associates at, depending on the store, they'll have it's called like a photo circle app. And anytime there's new sale merchandise every season, they'll kind of drop in the album what is available, and then you can just like go and see. Or if you just text them, they'll send you pictures too. So just be friendly, manage your expectations. If they're busy with customers, leave them alone. But yeah, that's a great way to find sale merchandise, is from the outlets. So these are 50% off Dior sneakers. So those are all the luxury designer shoes that I got recently on sale. Again, follow me on Instagram. Anytime there is a great deal, I will post it on my Instagram stories. At this point, I follow so many different sales associates that are online, especially on Instagram. I'll drop their handles down below. I think because of the pandemic and because everyone is shopping online, a lot of the sales associates who normally are used to just having foot traffic and people coming in, they had to change the way they sell. And so a lot of stores are also open to having their sales associate create these public selling Instagram pages where they can connect with clients. So those are just some tips for saving money on luxury items. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.